R2 is what? R2 is a vehicle entry permit escorted by the signaler or banksman, because this is a critical activity and you are having many people during construction. It can have some impact, road incident, some impact to the construction people, some impact to the construction activity. I'm going a little fast because I want to discuss the drilling activity very in detail. Installation, so this is the same thing. Mechanical work, it has got the same hazard. I'm putting R. Piping erection, we are having the same thing. E and I, we are going to keep the same thing because there is chance of electrocution. We should not simply allow on the permit work system or method statement. This has to have specific risk assessment. Hydro test, as people have mentioned that there is no pneumatic test, so we will not allow. So this is R9. This is very critical if you are going to do the pneumatic test. But I do not know if ADNOC will allow a pneumatic test. But Vijay is saying that they don't allow in the drilling. Vijay, am I right?
Yeah, we don't
Vijay, am I
have
right?
drilling. We don't have pneumatic test in drilling.
Oh, very good. But for construction, I also want to restrict it because they cannot simply do the pneumatic test without the ADNOC permission and approval. Purging, flushing may have hydrocarbon, may have some high pressure, so we make it restrictions. Only we are allowing these two activity. Vehicle movement and machine movement. So that is okay. Adverse weather. We must follow the adverse weather matrix of the ADNOC because high wind speed, sandstorm, dense fog, we must stop our job as per the company guideline. Okay, so guys, I was running quickly. I know that I was going very fast for the construction because I want to spend more time in the drilling. Okay, so guys, we